Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the brand new GoPro Hero 14 Black. GoPro has been the go-to action camera for years. But one thing has consistently plagued their devices: overheating. So, with the Hero 14, did they finally fix it? Let's find out. First impressions? The Hero 14 looks and feels familiar. It's got that rugged, iconic GoPro build. The design hasn't changed drastically, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. You still get the front-facing screen, the rear touchscreen, and easy-to-press buttons. Specs: 5.3K video at 60 fps, or 4K at 120 fps for slow motion. It boasts improved image stabilization, better low-light performance, and the promise of less overheating. So, the big question: how does it perform in the real world? I've put this camera through its paces. The video quality is fantastic. Colors are vibrant, details are sharp, and stabilization is impressive. It makes even the bumpiest footage look smooth. But let's talk about overheating. In my testing, the Hero 14 handles heat better than previous models. However, it's not a complete fix. During extended recording sessions in warmer environments or at higher resolutions, the camera can still get warm, and you might experience some shutdowns. Keep this in mind, especially if you plan to record long videos. Now, let's look at some pros and cons. On the plus side, the video quality is exceptional. The stabilization is top-notch, the camera is durable and waterproof, and the user interface is intuitive. The battery life is improved, although it's still not amazing. On the downside, overheating can still be an issue. Battery life could be better, and the price tag is premium. Here are some tips. First, use a high-quality SD card. Second, experiment with different video settings. Try recording at a lower resolution or frame rate. You can still get amazing footage at 4K or even 1080p. Third, keep the camera in a well-ventilated area. You can also use a small fan to help dissipate heat. Finally, explore the GoPro Quik app for easy editing and sharing. So, what's the verdict? The GoPro Hero 14 Black is a fantastic action camera that delivers exceptional video quality and impressive stabilization. While the overheating issue hasn't been completely eliminated, it's improved. If you want a top-of-the-line action camera and you're willing to pay the price, the Hero 14 is worth considering. I recommend this camera for action sports, outdoor adventures, or capturing high-quality video of everyday life. Just be mindful of potential overheating. Overall, the GoPro Hero 14 Black is a worthy successor and a camera that I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.